Hello kids, welcome back to channel. Today learn and draw capital letters alphabets A to Z and numbers 1 to 10. So kids, let's learn the names of the color. Green color, red color, yellow color, black color, yellow ochre color, and blue color. Kids, now you draw A and use green color. A for apple. B for ball. C for cat. D for dog. E for elephant. F for fish. G for God. H for helicopter. I for ice cream. Kids, now you draw J and use red color. J for joker. K for king. L for lion. M for moon. N for nose. O for octopus. P for parrot. Q for queen. It's now you draw R and use yellow color. Yellow color. R for rose. S for sun. T for teacher. U for umbrella. V for van. W for whale. X for xylophone. Y for yo-yo. And Z for zebra. Kids, now you draw numbers and use black color. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.